Want to know how to start a chat or see chats inside a match in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends and you should be inside a match right here. So for me, I am inside a random match with my enemies. Now, in order to see the chats, there you can see real-time updates as well even when you're inside the match. So if the match is long, what you can do is you can just simply chat. So on the leftmost side, you should be seeing this chat icon right here. So you can also see the clan invitations coming up randomly or popping up randomly in real time. This is how you can easily chat it. So you can just simply select that, and here you can see global chat popping up. So you can just simply type in any message and send it even in the middle of the match. So you can just simply select clan as well to have your clan chat, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can also change the language on the right side. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.